So like other video editors, this video editor contains some remarkable effects. So if you select this clip, we can go to the effects and filter, and we have several effects in this folder. We can change the category to camera, and now we have only camera effects shown. We can add this from this add button, and we can change property later if you want to. Now let's delete this one. Now go to the effects and filter, and now we can change this to color. We can change this to lighting. So now we have lighting effect, we have light leaks effect. We can add multiple effects, so we can click here on the plus icon, and let's change this to style, and we can select a style. Now we have film grain. Now I'm going to add another one. So first change the category. So you can delete the effect from this minus or negative sign. So let's change the style, and now I'm going to select this glitch effect, this one. And now we have 3 effects. So if I play this video, you can see guys, we have currently this effect. Now I'm going to remove all these effects, and I'm going to add a camera effect. Let's add a lens distortion effect. Now I'm going to change this to 0%, and if we go to the animate, if you add effects, the effects properties appear in this keyframe animation. So now as you can see, we have lens distortion. So we can add a keyframe. We can go few frames ahead, and I can add this lens distortion effect. Now we can select this. We can change the graph to maybe cubic, and now let's play this video. And now as you can see, we have this lens distortion effect. So now I can add a keyframe again from this stopwatch, and now let's change this to back 0%, and this time let's change this to expo, and now here we go. Now we can back to timeline, and I'm going to add another effect, and I'm going to change this to style. Let's add this Game Boy effect, and now I'm going to go to the animate, and now as you can see, we have Game Boy appears. So I'm going to add a keyframe here, and I'm going to change this to 0%, and let's change this to this one. Now here we go. So you can combine multiple effects, and you can animate them later if you want to.